Okay, just take a little walk. Finally got in my garden 2026. Purposefully later this year than historically. Just trying to experiment around, see if I can keep a crop going longer into the fall than I normally do. Normally, the blight would take me out sometimes late August, that early. So I'm about 3 weeks later this year on getting my plants in the ground, and we'll see if it makes a difference. This is our herb garden. I think there's some chamomile coming up in the... There's some rue. That's phlox, that's not really an herb. There's some parsley going to flower. Some basil, some oregano. Marjoram. Golden oregano. Bee balm. Spearmint. Chocolate mint. Creeping thyme. Sage, which is flowering nicely. Tricolor sage. This is overwintered parsley, still looking good. And some more thymes, some variegated thymes. And we come out through the gate, my pepper garden. Those are just leftover tomatoes. I probably got about 25 peppers here. Some sweet basil, some rosemary. And then I have about 40 peppers down there at the end of the garden. Just got these planted in over the last week or so. Been very dry here. No rain for weeks. No exaggeration, weeks. Got my irrigation lines going. Have my 2 rows of Walla Walla, Texas sweet yellows there. Cucumbers, seed going down this trellis here. Some more tomatoes. I think I have 75 tomatoes total. And then I'm only doing three summer squash. Those 3 right there, that's it. That trellis is going to be all gourds. All the seeds are already planted, all amongst. So they'll climb up there and they'll go all over. And this little trellis here is also gourds. So pretty much from this up and over and over and down, and then who knows where these gourds are going to go, but they'll get crazy. And then on the other side of the trellis, you can see my onions just starting to green up a little bit there. And then I think total peppers I have 70. So about 75 tomatoes and 70 peppers. They're small, but they're healthy. They have good roots as long as I can keep them watered. This one looks like a goner probably. I'll replace that one probably. got to 86 today, and there was a couple that got burned up. I didn't really harden these off like I did my tomato plants, and it showed. But they're not looking too bad after a couple days. They've already perked back up. Oh, God. Ugh. Why in the hell that thing shocked me? It's not even freaking on. Oh, hell yeah, it is on. God darn. All right, I'm out of here. That's my garden 2026.